There are 7 guys.
The sun is bright.
It's up to them to hold it off for 10 minutes. They do that, they win.
Hey, baby.
Hold on. Got dirt in my glove. Hold on.
Is there shots coming from the green building there? Nice one.
Hey! White building at 12 o'clock!
Hello there.
Condor, on your 6.
Hold on, I got one right here.
I'm going to keep you inside. Go, Condor, on me!
Hey, right here, right here, right here.
You look really tasty.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. If I was a deer, obviously.
Right.
With all your leaves and stuff.
For sure, for sure, for sure.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Two on this side, Kiki. Hit.
What do you mean? It's passing! No, I don't think.
Is he right here in the grass here?
There's somebody over here. I have no clue where the fuck he is.
You want to see a magic trick?
Huh?
You want to see a magic trick?
What? Nice magic trick.
Thank you.
Very magical. You have a YouTube channel?
I do.
What's your YouTube channel?
Condor Airsoft. No space.
What's up?
Thank you. There's definitely someone right here. Hey, right there.
Hey, right.
He's down.
Semi-auto only.
Oh, really?
We're gonna try it and see if it works out better. Hey, mask on. I know, it's hot. It sucks. Everyone's fogging.
Okay, that means I don't really need this then. Does it? I can't feel my toes, Mom.
That's alright, come on.
Oh, God.
Cut them off later.
Don't step on this. Don't lose it. Don't touch it. I will strangle you.